AutoCAD tutorial. Today we are going to design a simple spur gear with the help of Solidworks toolbox. We will see how to use the Solidworks toolbox and create a simple gearbox, simple spur gear in Solidworks. So let's see how to make this simple gearbox, and we will make this animation also. So now here, first of all, just choose here file, new, and select here assembly. Okay, now this is the Solidworks assembly window. Let's close this window. Let's set the white plane, it's up to you, and here I'll choose the unit inches. Now first of all, I need to create a simple path for the spur gear. Here we are going to design a spur gear with the help of toolbox. So let me define, choose front plane, sketch, circle. Let's draw here two circles. Choose smart dimension. Let's make 6 inch by 3 inch. Okay, now select both the circles, choose tangent relation. That's it. Now select both the center point and make relation horizontal. Now see, the geometry is fully defined, so it's simply exit. Now it's time to add the spur gear. So how we will do this one? Either you will just go to design library, and here you will find toolbox option. If it will not comes here directly, go to option, drop down this option menu, add-ins, and here select Solidworks toolbox library, click OK. Okay, now it is added. Choose here, see, it is added. Select toolbox. Now see, it comes here. Here many standards, so we are going for inches, so choose for inches. We have one option, ANSI inch, NC inch. Double click and just go down, power transmission gears. Now here you will find multiple number of gears, so we are going to design a simple spur gear. So drag one spur gear. Let's now see, this is the spur gear. Now here we need to define everything. This is asked about diametral pitch. We are design according to diameter, so we will keep 6 inch diametral pitch. Number of teeth, let's make 36. See, now it is asking pressure angle. There are two types of pressure angle, so anything you can keep is up to you. 14.5, I'll choose the pressure angle on gear. And face width, you can see this is very thin, so let's make 1 inch. See, it looks better. Now hub style, keep. Now here we will change the center diameter, shaft diameter, it's too small. We will make some little bigger, so it will be easily visible for us. Actually just go to more than 2 inch, so it will be more better for us. We will go for 2 inch. Okay, 2 by 1 by 16 inch. Look, that's perfect. Now just come down, and here you will find keyway. Here you can choose your keyway. Select here one is square key. Now look, the key is added here, and balance is nothing. Select OK. Now it will again ask you if you need one more, just click OK. Then again it will ask you, so we need only 2, so just click. Now right click on the second part, edit toolbox component. The diametral pitch we will keep 6 inch, so that both the gear will be meshed. This teeth number we will decrease. We will keep 18 millimeter, 18 numbers of teeth, so it become exactly the half 1/2 ratio of both in between both the gears. And here we need to make it small, so 1 by 16 inch, so here we will choose 1 by 8 inch. See, the shaft diameter just half of this previous one. A square rectangle, that's fine. Teeth shows 18. Okay, now here our two teeth. Now it's time to define some. It is not going to move, so right click, choose your float option. Now see, it is floating. Do one thing, choose front plane and take the normal position, or even you can take the position from here. Select this face, look, rotate, select both the gear, rotate. Okay, drag it here. Okay, let's browse matte, choose this gear face and select here front plane. Now it's going to matte front plane. Okay, select this small gear and front plane, it's also going to matte. Okay, now see, both in same plane. Now select this outer circle and this bigger circle. Now it's going to create a relation concentric matte. Select OK. The same thing we have to do for small one, concentric relation. OK, here. OK, let's hide this sketch. If you will select move component, here you will find one option, dynamic physical dynamics. So let's play. This model in collision detected. So little move it. Okay, now again choose move component, physical movement. Okay, let's rotate. See how the gears are going to rotate. Look, see, this is the simple design of gear what we are going to do. Okay, so if we want to create animation, we will do it. So how we will do it? Animation first, let's set the, make sure it is not going to touch. Isometric view, no, trimetric, that's look better. We will apply some material, or select here. Okay, again choose color, select any other color like green, select this component here, select OK. I don't know this looks or not. Select this component, let's make some dark. That's fine. Right click, motion manager, go to motion study, up, select here motion analysis, and frame per second 50. I'll always try to drag up to here, and here choose contact relation. We want to choose this two body for the contact. Okay, now choose motor, select this bigger one, RPM constant speed, let's make 20 revolution per minute. Select OK and choose here calculate. 20 RPM is too much, I think, because it shows here. Now play. 20 RPM is too big, so do one thing, just drag back to this time lapse, right click, edit feature, motor, keep 5 revolution per minute. Okay, again calculate. Now it's looking perfect. Drop, play. So this is the simple design of whisper gear with the help of toolbox, Solidworks toolbox. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our videos. If you want to save this animation, just right click on save animation. Here you can set your computer aspect ratio. Even you can choose it from here. I'll always choose 16 by 9 inch. This is the standard for our screen. Here you can define your pitch, number of frame per second, 30, 40, 50 is up to you. And here you will define your place. I'll prefer desktop. Here you can say name whisper gear. Okay, AVI file, this is the only option with SolidWorks. Save. Uncheck this keyframe, otherwise it will ask you many things. Select OK. Now it will again calculate from the starts, and automatically it's going to save in your destination. Once it finishes, you can just play. So I hope you understand. Don't forget to share and like our videos. Thanks for watching.